Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever feels like your money is slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. But fear not, budget warriors. Today, we're diving deep into personal budgeting and expense management, equipping you with the tools to slay your spending and finally take control of your finances. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or someone simply looking to tighten things up, this video is for you. Let's get started with our first tip. Track your income and expenses. The foundation of any good budget is knowing exactly how much money you have coming in and going out. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, side gigs, or any other income streams. Next, track your expenses like rent, groceries, transportation, and other expenses. All right, let's put this into action with a real-life scenario. Imagine John, a freelance graphic designer, wants to get a handle on his finances. Here's a breakdown of his income and expenses. He earns $3,000 per month from freelance projects. His expenses are distributed as 67% for essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation, 13% for entertainment such as dining out and watching movies, and 8% for miscellaneous expenses like clothing and phone bills. The remaining $400, which is around 12% of his income, is saved. John quickly realizes his entertainment and miscellaneous spending might be a bit high. Here's how he can adjust. Pack lunches a few times a week to save on eating out. A look for free or low-cost entertainment options like parks, libraries, or museums. Track those miscellaneous expenses. That phone bill upgrade might not have been necessary. Next is financial goals. Setting clear financial goals gives your budget purpose and direction. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having goals helps you prioritize your spending and stay motivated. Let's talk the tips. These hacks will help you dominate your budget. Set financial goals. Dreaming of a tropical vacation? A down payment on a house? Having clear goals fuels your motivation and keeps you focused. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account. Out of sight, out of spend is the key to resisting temptation. Track your daily spending. Awareness is power. Seeing where your money goes each day helps identify areas for improvement. There are even apps that can do this automatically. The 50-30-20 rule. This classic budgeting rule allocates 50% of income to needs, rent, groceries, utilities, 30% to wants, entertainment, hobbies, 20% to savings or debt repayment. Remember, this is a guideline. Adjust the percentages to fit your situation. Tip number 3. Use budgeting and expense tracker apps. Say goodbye to the days of clunky spreadsheets. There are fantastic apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and PocketGuard that can streamline this process for you. These apps sync with your bank accounts and credit cards to categorize your expenses automatically. They also provide insightful reports and alerts to help you stay on top of your spending habits. Next, create a detailed budget plan. With your income, expenses, and goals defined, it's time to create a battle plan. Here's how. List all your income sources. Track all your expenses. Categorize your expenses. Set realistic spending limits for each category. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Let's revisit John, our freelance graphic designer. Using the steps above, John creates a detailed budget plan. With a monthly income of $3,000, his revised budget might look like this. Now, after adjusting some expense, he can reduce some unnecessary expenses like cutting down entertainment, miscellaneous expenses. This helps to increase his saving from $400 to $650. Now, the saving is around 21%, which was previously 13%. Next tip is regularly monitor and adjust your budget. Your budget isn't set in stone. It's important to review your spending regularly using your chosen app. If you notice you're overspending in one category, adjust your budget to stay on track with your financial goals. Let's say you realize you've been spending more on dining out than budgeted. You can adjust by reducing this category and allocating the surplus to savings or another goal. Next, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is crucial for financial security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Your budgeting app can help you automate savings toward this fund. Imagine you automate $100 each month into your emergency fund. Over time, this builds up, providing a financial safety net. And avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. However, be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Instead, allocate extra income towards savings, investments, or paying down debt. If you receive a raise or bonus, consider increasing your savings contributions rather than immediately increasing your spending. And there you have it, practical tips to manage your budget and expenses effectively with the help of technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.